I tend to find the arguments about us getting close to a bear market cycle, us about to continue dropping, stuff like that. I find it to be very comical. And the reason why is people aren't watching the money. They're not paying attention to what's actually taking place while we're going through this consolidation. Because guess what? We are, in fact, seeing capital enter the space right now. And what comes next is very exciting. The fun hasn't even begun yet. So if you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell again. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So yes, this doesn't necessarily make an immediate impact in price. We're still kind of finding our way through the day, through the weekend. Right now it's about 6:14 a.m. U.S. money hasn't woken up quite yet. I don't know what today is going to look like. We're again looking like we're going to kind of fall into a low volume weekend. So we'll just have to be patient. Maybe we'll get a big, exciting announcement that decides to just send our bags to the moon, right? That's just me having a bit of hopium there. But, we're still kind of in this fearful place in the market. We're still just kind of chilling. ADA, still one of the best performers in the market over the last 7 days. And what I find kind of interesting about that is people saying, oh yeah, ADA just continues to go down, blah, blah, blah. Guys, we're literally up 26% over the last 7 days. We are separating ourselves from the market just a little bit. Yes, there is still some correlation, but don't complain when you're seeing some green. Okay. Now, what I have to say is that, people are getting too caught up in the bearish short-term sentiment. People are getting too much caught up in the narrative and the fear that's flowing around the crypto market. They're getting caught up in these comments. Oh, we're entering a bear market cycle, when the exact opposite is taking place. And what I mean by that is we're not seeing big outflows from the crypto market. We're not seeing mass exoduses of capital from exchanges. It's the exact opposite. We're actually seeing capital enter exchanges. We're seeing capital enter the crypto market. What we are seeing is big minting of stablecoins. I don't know if you guys saw this yesterday. I kept trying to retweet these out every time we would get an announcement, but USDC just kept minting and minting and minting. There is new capital entering the crypto market. And something that I think people keep seeming to keep forget is right now we're at this like 5.15% dominance in terms of USDT dominance across the crypto market. And again, I've talked about this before, but when we look at these same levels back here in November of this last year, the market cap is higher. All right. So we have, this is what's crazy to me. We have more capital in the crypto market right now than we did before the big win on November 5th. Right? That started to send bags running. Look at this, right? $2.25 trillion versus 2.8 or $2.78 trillion. Same USDT dominance, significantly higher market cap. And the reason why is because a lot of capital has entered the market, but a lot of that capital is still just sitting on the sidelines. A lot of the capital that's entered the market has been up here and it's still just sitting in stables. It hasn't even hit assets yet. So let me ask you this question. Why would people move capital into the market and park it in stables and not buy assets yet? Are they doing it just for the good of their health? Are they doing it because we're entering a bear market cycle? No, it's because they're looking for an opportunity to accumulate. So the question is what is going to force their hand? Is it going to be prices dropping and getting a discount for them to accumulate and get discounts, right? Or is it going to be them trying to chase price? It's going to be one of the two of those. There's no in between, right? Because again, adoption doesn't really take place when markets are stagnant, when there's not really a whole lot going on. So we could see one of two things. We could see a drop in terms of price. When it comes to ADA, I would think that it would be a higher floor than where we're at. We're already seeing those signs across for ADA versus the crypto market, that it's showing more resilience than other assets. Great sign. Love to see it. So what that means is that, again, we'd probably see a higher floor if we do get a drop and accumulation take place, or we're going to start seeing prices run and they're going to be chasing. And it's going to send us to new cycle highs. All right. Now, this isn't a guarantee or financial advice or anything like that. What I want to point out as well is when it comes to ADA, what we're still seeing very consistently is buying and hoarding, buying and hoarding. This isn't new stuff, right? Yes, we had the massive inflow day on the announcement of the crypto reserve. A lot of profit taking that day, but then we had subsequent buying and removal, hoarding, right? And now is the time that, frankly, you want to hoard your assets. Now, again, I'm not telling people what to do, but just understand where we're at, understand what's happening. There's a lot of capital hitting the market right now, big players moving money, positioning it for the next big leg, basically, right? Again, they're looking to either pick up their position cheap or they're looking to make sure they have a position if prices do start running. That's all I have to say. I mean, we need to connect the dots, right? The charts can be very misleading. Fundamentals are the thing that I focus on the most. I keep talking about them time and time again because fundamentals are what precede these bigger moves. ADA fundamentals have continued to be good for a very long period of time, and they've gotten even better as time has gone on, as there have been more developments within the ecosystem, as more partnerships have come out. The stage is basically set for this next big leg in crypto. And the question is are you going to fall for the negative sentiment, the short-term bearishness, the people talking about bear market cycles, or are you actually opening your eyes and looking at what's happening with the money? Follow the money. It will not lead you wrong. So I appreciate you guys as always. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below. What do you think happens first? Do you think we get a little bit of a drop? Do prices just start running here? Things are looking a little lively right now at the time of filming this video, but we'll see what happens as the day goes on. But appreciate you guys. Have a great day. Show your love below. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.